Hey ladies, how are you doing? I got a couple of things in today I wanted to show you, so here I am. First off, I have on the Bloom box that came in this month, and I have the necklace on. It comes with these charms, and you can add your own charm to add more charms, whichever, and it comes with these super cute earrings and also this bracelet. And let's see, it's got that much more room, and this is my permanent bracelet, so if you're interested in that. Let's see what else I've got. These are called Eiras. Let me take another box so you can see. This color blue is great for this time of year. I'm seeing lots of this blue. This is gold. That's super cute. This will go with everything, including blue jeans. So if you want any more details about that, ask me. Hey, I want more information about the blue and white earrings. Hey, Vicky, I hope you're doing better. Glad you hopped on how that daughter of yours is. Haven't seen her forever. Okay. If you're watching live, please say live. If you're catching the replay, let me know you caught the replay. Can't remember the name of this, but this has I want to think it's called Sage. I'm not sure, but it has these beautiful green beads. I'm not sure. What are you doing, Alan?
Sharpening a knife.
He's sharpening a knife, okay. And all these beautiful stones, natural stones. Oh my goodness. Don't know that I'd wear it with my camouflage, but I could. And then these beautiful earrings. They're just like a 1-inch drop. Perfect. Let's see, showed you those. You know what this is. Some of you know what it is. Got a thing of jewelry. This just came in yesterday in the mail. Actually, let's come to this next. After this. I'm pretty sure these are some earrings that I ordered. I need some silver. I have ended up, used to always silver, and then I've ended up, I love these. They come in gold too, but I decided I needed some silver. These are stainless steel. Look how pretty. Perfect length. And if you like gold, these come in gold. So if you want more information about the silver earrings, just comment. I want more information about the silver earrings. Love those. You're going to be seeing some selfies with that. Okay. As you know, you may not know, JBloom also does what we call chill cups. And Alan and I needed some to take with us. And I had one with a handle, which I love, but I wanted to get these. They come in all different colors, but we've recently gotten these in rose gold and white and black and rose gold. And I got mine, and you can get it customized. I know that's backwards. It says Audrey Peacock. And on the back, it has a Bible verse. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. How pretty that is. I can customize this for anything that you would like. And then Alan's has his name. I could put anything on here, like you can have Nana or Mimi or whatever. And his Bible verse on here is, the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is a stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Psalm 27:1. Look how pretty. And it comes with the sip thing, whatever you call that. You can put a straw if you wanted to. So how pretty. And I think that's all. But thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know you watched the replay. And if I can help you with any of my pretties, I'll be glad to. Y'all have a super rest of your week, and catch you later.